Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your device and credentials to open the updated Nios Dashboard now. Use a supported browser such as Chrome or Firefox for the best compatibility and security. Make sure you have your Nios username and password available before you proceed with login. Confirm your internet connection is stable and fast enough, ideally 3 Mbps or higher, to avoid timeouts during navigation. Close other heavy apps that might slow loading and allow pop-ups for the site when prompted by the browser. Open your browser and enter the official Nios Dashboard URL from the main site. Look for the prominent Login button on the dashboard landing page and click it to begin. Type your username and password precisely, checking for capitalization and special characters. If the site asks for two-factor authentication, follow the prompts and enter the code sent to your email or phone. After successful authentication, the dashboard will load your personalized home screen with widgets and navigation, links ready for use. If the dashboard does not load correctly, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload. Disable browser extensions that might block scripts or pop-ups and try accessing the site again. Use the Forgot Password link to reset your password when repeated login attempts fail for security reasons. If two-factor codes do not arrive, check your spam folder and confirm the contact number or email on file. Contact Nios support with your user ID and the exact error message when problems continue despite troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.